Welcome to Mahakali Tarot Portal. Get ready for your monthly tarot guidance for July. Whether you're looking for insights into your love life, career, or personal growth, this video has got you covered. Tune in as we explore what the stars and cards have in store for each zodiac sign. Remember, this is a general reading, so take what resonates and leave the rest. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tarot readings and spiritual insights. Let's dive into the energies and messages for July month. Hey Aries, July month might feel a bit challenging for you. You might feel restlessness and the need to take a break despite feeling unable to. It indicates delays and obstacles, possibly slowing down your progress. There may be some point to conflicts in relationships or decisions that are hard to make. This month, focus on self-care and clear communication to navigate these challenges. Hello Taurus, July month has a mixed bag of triumphs and temptations. It shows that you're likely to achieve recognition and success in your endeavors. However, it also warns against falling into unhealthy patterns or addictions. There are signals of burst of creative energy and new opportunities. Balance your achievements with mindfulness to avoid pitfalls. Hey Gemini, July month brings new beginnings and collaboration for you. It also indicates excitement and new ventures. It suggests teamwork and building something with others. However, it also warns against indecision or lack of planning. Embrace new opportunities and work well with others, but make sure to have a clear plan moving forward. Hey beautiful Cancer, July is a month of resilience, intuition, and structure. It indicates that you're feeling battle-worn but are standing strong. It emphasizes trusting your intuition and inner wisdom. It calls for discipline and control. Use your inner strength and intuition to maintain stability and order in your life. Hi Leo, you may experience a mix of introspection and action this month. It suggests a need to reassess your sense of self-worth and financial independence. It shows swift movement and decisive action. But it also indicates celebration and community. Balance your ambitions with a sense of belonging and self-value. Virgo is in for a hopeful yet reflective July. This month brings hope, inspiration, and healing. It suggests overcoming worries and anxiety. However, it also warns against impatience and lack of long-term planning. Embrace hope and healing, but also take time to plan for the future. Hey Libra, July revolves around fairness, transitions, and potential missed opportunities. It indicates a focus on fairness, balance, and truth. It suggests difficulty moving on from past issues. It warns of missed opportunities or financial instability. Seek balance and fairness, but be mindful of not letting past issues hinder new beginnings. Scorpio, for you this month has of introspection and tradition. It suggests coming clean or avoiding deceit. It also points to tradition, spirituality, and seeking guidance. It warns against isolation and encourages reaching out for support. Embrace honesty and seek guidance, but stay connected to others. Sagittarius, you might feel challenged this month. It indicates feeling overwhelmed or defensive. It suggests a block in creativity or nurturing energy. It warns against harsh judgments and lack of clarity. Focus on self-care and clear thinking to overcome obstacles. Hello Capricorn, July month brings emotional challenges and a need for fairness. It suggests blocked emotions or unfulfilled emotional needs. It emphasizes balance and fairness. It indicates worry and anxiety. Strive for emotional clarity and fairness to alleviate stress. Aquarius, you may face emotional turbulence in July month. It indicates emotional instability or lack of control. It suggests emotional blockages. It brings confusion and the need for clarity. Work on emotional healing and clarity to navigate through these challenges. Hey Pisces, you may experience mixed fortunes in July month. It suggests a period of stagnation or unexpected changes. It brings joy, celebration, and a sense of community. It also indicates a new outlook or renewed interest. Embrace the positive moments and stay open to new perspectives. Thank you for watching. I hope these insights help guide you through July. Remember, you have the power to shape your own destiny, and these readings are here to support you on your journey. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with friends who might benefit from this guidance. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Stay tuned for more tarot readings, spiritual tips, and uplifting content. Until next time, take care and stay blessed.